to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 HOE Toy Store. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assignment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyITLab, IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exam, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assignment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment: Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 HOE Toy Store. Here is a project description. You can also read it out carefully for better understanding of assessment. Now move to the here is a Excel workbook that I have already downloaded from my MyITLab dashboard. Now move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is: start Excel, download and open the file name exp22 Excel chapter 4 HOE toy store. Grader has automatically added to your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question you will have to download the file exp22 Excel chapter 4 HOE toy store from MyLab IT dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyLab IT dashboard. Now move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is: you would like to set a page break on the June totals worksheet to allow the document to print without splitting transaction dates. Modify the existing page breaks to ensure the 6 by 13 uh, and 6 by 24 transaction date print on the same page. Here is the Excel workbook that I have already downloaded. Then you will go to the view tab, then click on the page break preview. Here is the preview: page 1, page 4, and bottom page 3 and page 2. Page layout, then click on break. If you need any help with this assignment, please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Question number 2 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Next question is question number 3. Create a copy of the June totals worksheet and name it June 1st totals. Create a copy of the June totals worksheet and name it June 1st total. First, you will have to right click on this sheet, then move a copy. Then create a copy, click on this. and then replace this name June 1st totals. Question number 3 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is return to the value totals worksheet when printed. You would like the titles to be preserved. Set the titles in row 5 and column A to B to repeat when printed. Additionally, set the print order to print over then down. Then move to the workbook. Go to the page layout, then print, and the print area tab. Rows to repeat top, like this, and column to repeat left A to B range. Then press OK. Question number 4 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is you would like to convert the dataset to a table in order to add aggregation, structured references, and table style. Convert the range A5 to K10 to a table. Be sure to include column labels. Name the table totals and apply the table style light. Yellow table style light 19. First, you will have to select the range A5 to K110 to the table. Then convert this range into table. To go to the workbook, then select the range A5 to, then go to the insert tab, then click on table. Then my table has a header. Check this box and press OK. Name the table totals. Press OK. Our data are converted into table format. Then apply the style. and you will choose the style light yellow, light 19. Then write the table name totals. Then choose the style, apply this. Question number 5 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is you don't need the sales underscore first column to reduce the size of the data set. You will remove the column. Delete the sales underscore first column from the table. Basically in this question you will have to delete the column sales first and go to the workbook. Then you will have to select this column, then right click and delete this column. Question number 6 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is you need to document the rebate information and total purchase price. To do so, you will add two new columns to the data. Type rebate in cell K5 and odd in cell L5. Set the width of column to autofit. First, you will have to type rebate in cell K5 and odd in cell L5. Rebate this one and odd in cell L5. L5 you will have to type odd L5 odd. Then format this to autofit. Question number 7 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is you notice you are missing records 2024-068 and 2024-105. You will manually add the records back to the table. Insert a row in the table at rows 73 and row 112. Enter the following records. Row 73, these are the records are mentioned, and then row 112 records are mentioned. Simply you will have to add these records in the new rows. Then you will go to this, select the range, this one 72, and right click on this row and click on insert button to add new row and add the records. This one on transaction number and the date is, simply you will have to copy and paste this date, and also the sales lost, simply copy and paste this in the department, and the 104 item, and the next is paste in the manufacturer store. and the next is row 1112. Simply you will have to add record in this row, this one. Simply you will have to copy and paste these records in the cells. Question number 8 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 9. Question number 9 is, you notice there are duplicate values in the table that needs to be removed. Remove all duplicate values from the totals table. In this question you will have to remove the duplicate values. First you will go to the table design, then click on the remove duplicates and press OK. Question number 9 are completed now. We have now completed 9 questions of this assignment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignment, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses, MyLab IT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.